Yes, first up we cut across to breaking news coming in. We are learning that the Maharashtra Congress President Nana Patole has now made a massive claim. He's not just dismissed the exit poll results, he's rather said that the MBA will form the government in Maharashtra, and that too under the Congress's leadership. He has expressed confidence based on current voting trends and public sentiment is what he said. In fact, he's also stated that most Congress candidates are expected to win in the upcoming polls. Let's listen in to that statement.
देखो, महाराष्ट्र में कांग्रेस की लीडरशिप में ही सरकार महाविकास आघाड़ी की बनेगी। उस तरह से जो मतदान का जो रुझान आ रहा है, कॉल आ रहा है, जो लोग मतदान के लिए जा रहे हैं, तो उसके आधार पर राज्य में कांग्रेस की सबसे ज्यादा कैंडिडेट चुन के आएंगे और महाविकास आघाड़ी की सरकार आएंगी, इसमें कोई दो मत नहीं है। ये काले पत्थर पे सफेद लकीर है। और जिस तरह से बीजेपी ने आपने देखा होगा कि कल भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय महासचिव विनोद तावड़े ये पैसे बांटते हुए पकड़े गए एक होटल में, जहां वो रुक नहीं सकते, जहां उनका 5 बजे के बाद उनको वहां रहने का कोई व्यवस्था नहीं रह सकते, जो चुनाव आयोग के जो नियम है उसका भी पालन उन्होंने नहीं किया। और वो कहते कि चिट्ठी बांटने गए। अब भारतीय जनता पार्टी के महासचिव चिट्ठी बांट रहे हैं। ये भी बड़ा दुर्भाग्य है कि उनके पास अब नीचे में कार्यकर्ता भी खत्म हो चुके हैं। उसका अर्थ वो लगता है। तो मुझे लगता है कि अब झूठ पे कितना झूठ बोलेंगे। और वो देवेंद्र फडणवीस के पीए रहे वाले वानखेड़े, जो आरवी विधानसभा से वर्धा से खड़े हैं, उनके गोदाम में दारू की बोतल मिली। वर्धा ये दारूबंदी का डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, तो दारू और पैसा बांटकर ये नोट का जिहाद करना चाहते हैं क्या वोट मांगने के लिए? ये सवाल इस बहाने खड़ा हुआ है। और मुझे लगता है कि बीजेपी जो संवैधानिक व्यवस्था को नहीं मानती, जो बार बार हम कह रहे थे कि किसी ने किसको वोट करना वो उनका अधिकार है, उसको ये वोट जिहाद बोलते हैं।
Cutting across to Sandeep on the broadcast. Sandeep, or the Nana Patole making this statement, also wanting to understand from you if the UBT faction of the Shiv Sena and Sharad Pawar will be okay with working under the Congress and not parallelly with the Congress in case the MVA wins.
Suvesh, I'll just update you regarding what I had a conversation with my few sources in Congress party. The Congress party leaders are very upset with Uddhav Thackeray and in fact with Sharad Pawar as well. Now, what is the reason behind this? As far as the domination and the seat sharing is concerned, and as far as the claims of Congress party are concerned, they believe that there are high chances that Congress party would be the biggest party in the Mahavikas Aghadi alliance, and on the basis of the numbers of seat that Congress party or any other party gets in Mahavikas Aghadi, the chief minister's bath would be given to that very party. But ultimately, remember in the past, like 4 or 5 days back, there was a huge advertisements given in the newspaper stating that Kutumba Pramukhanchi Sarkar. If you understand this, that means that someone who is the leader of the family should be given the chief minister berth, or he would be someone to form the government in Maharashtra, and that advertisement was given by Uddhav Thackeray. So ultimately this is something that is hitting a lot to Congress party, and I also spoke to many Congress leaders. They claim that the Uddhav Thackeray faction is in fact in the position to blackmail Congress party, and the way Nitish Kumar had formed the government in Bihar, similar kind of pattern and similar kind of things could be witnessed in this very, if at all Mahavikas Aghadi is able to, is in a position to form the government, then there are high chances that the Uddhav Sena may blackmail Congress party. They have also reached to the senior leadership of Congress party in Delhi. But ultimately what we are getting to know is that the senior leadership is under trouble by the state Congress leader, because they are somewhere, molded towards Uddhav Sena, as they want government in Maharashtra and they want to keep the India alliance alive. They do not want to upset any alliance partner in the India bloc. So ultimately, there are a lot of struggles that that could be witnessed in coming days, and this is just a start. As we saw, Nana Patole's remark has already made it very clear that the State Congress of Maharashtra, they are very much adamant on the fact that if at all Congress party wins a large number of seats in Maharashtra, then it would be the Congress party chief minister, or it would be the leadership of Congress party over which the government would be formed. But ultimately, what would be the next course of action, that will come to know after 23rd of November, Suesha.
Oh yes, absolutely, Sandeep. But I'm sure you're also privy to the kind of internal talks that are happening at this point. You're already saying that the rift is not just within the MVA, but even the state leadership of Congress that is differing from what the top leadership wants. And the top leadership clearly wants to keep the Indi together, but the state leadership wants to be in a position ahead of UBT and Sharad Pawar faction. So in this scenario, are they already creating backup plans for themselves?